In addition to the monthly salary, employee may receive one-time payments such as bonuses, incentives, or other additional earnings. Similarly, there may be one-time deductions like penalties or other deductions. To manage these efficiently, the system provides a feature that allows you to allot one-time additional earning and deductions. These entries can also be imported in bulk using an Excel sheet via import from Excel option. Today we will go through how these details can be added into the system step by step. To allot one-time additional earning, navigate to payroll, then pre-salary transaction, employee additional earning. If any entries have already been allotted for that selected month, then they will be visible in this window. To allot a new entry, click on Allot Employee Additional Earning. Select the appropriate additional earning head from the drop-down. If the desired earning head is not available, then click on Create to define a new one. A pop-up window will appear and click on Add the record to define a new earning head. If the earning amount should have statutory deductions like PF, ESIC, TDS, then enable the corresponding options and then click on Update. Once the additional earning head is defined, select the month in which the amount should be paid and then enter the additional earning amount. We do have formula based section. If you want to calculate a yearly bonus or any other earning for a specific period using a formula, then you can use this option. But first make sure the formula is already defined in the formula settings. For example, if a bonus formula is already defined, then simply select that formula here and specify the period begin and end month for which the amount should be calculated. When you run the payroll, the system will automatically calculate the bonus amount based on the selected formula and period. As of now, we will update the additional earning amount here and then select the employee here and click on Allot Additional Earning. Once the additional earning is allotted, you can proceed to run the payroll and generate the salary reports and salary payslips. To allot one-time additional deduction, right next to the additional earning option, additional deduction is there. The process will be similar. If any entries have already been allotted for the selected month, then they will be visible in this window. To allot a new entry, click on Allot Employee Additional Deduction. Select the appropriate additional deduction head from the drop-down. Select the month in which the amount should be deducted and enter the additional deduction amount. After updating the details, select the employee and click on Allot Additional Deduction. Once the additional deduction is allotted, you can proceed to run the payroll and generate the salary reports and payslips. To import additional earning and deduction details for multiple employees using Excel sheet, then go to Payroll, Import from Excel. Select the template as Import Employee Additional Earning or Deduction, whichever you wanted to import, and then click on File Format to download the template. In the Excel sheet, update the following details: employee code, additional earning name which you have already defined in the additional earning window, update the amount. Once the file is ready, return to the same window to import it. Here, select the month for which you want to import the data. Choose the Excel file and then click on Import. Once the sheet is imported, you can proceed to run the payroll and download the reports.